Hello you guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Ishneet Kaur and I am a professional makeup artist. I have shot for a couple of movie promos as well. I have shot for Netflix. I have done the Daswi promo, Dhamaka promo, Squid Games. I have even shot for Modern Love, which airs on Amazon Prime. I have done a couple of promo videos for them as well. Recently, I got the opportunity to do makeup for Shankar Mahadevan, which was amazing. Not to mention, I have even shot for Boost with a couple of IPL cricketers, which again was a really fun experience. Before we get into the video, if you're new, let me just quickly tell you, my channel is all about beauty, makeup and skincare content. If that is something that you're interested in or you just like hanging out with me, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So this is the foundation that we're going to talk about today. This is the Faces Canada 3-in-1 Hydra Matte Foundation. Now 3-in-1 because this is a foundation, it has SPF and it is a moisturizer. The Faces Canada foundation, it retails for 450 rupees and you get 25 ml of product. Now I feel like the quantity is a little less, but that's just my opinion. Moving further on to the packaging is a tube packaging. It's got a pink outer cover, which is a little bit deceiving for a foundation. It's a very compact packaging. It is travel friendly, it won't break, it won't spill. So yeah, amazing packaging. Brownie points for the packaging.
I'm in the shade Soft Sand 041. I'm going to use my fingers first to blend, and then to get an even finish, I will be using my stippling brush. You can use this foundation with your hands, brush, or even a beauty blender. It will blend like a dream. So this is how my skin looks. I have foundation on half of my face. Let me just quickly do the other half and show you. Yeah, this is how natural the finish is. It just looks like skin.
Now talking about the coverage, it is a light to medium coverage. It is not a full coverage foundation. So this is basically like if you want to achieve a no makeup look, or you want to use it during the day, or you want a foundation for your office wear or a daily wear foundation, then I feel this is a really good foundation to have. Now this contains aloe vera gel. Now that's your moisturizing factor. Then it has some skincare as well. It has your vitamin C. It has SPF. Now where I believe is that even though a foundation or a makeup product has SPF, I feel that you need to use a sunscreen. Basically, the SPF that is put in your makeup is not enough to give you the sun protection that you actually require. So you do need to use a sunscreen, even though if the makeup brand says that it has SPF in it. Alright you guys, time for my final thought, if you should buy this or no. Honestly, I do not think that this foundation would do the job at all. One major reason is I do not see a lot of content creators use this foundation in their videos. So I thought, okay, it must be very so-so. But so my problem started is because I have dry skin, and when I use my matte foundations, it just makes my skin more drier by the end of the day. So I needed something which has a moisturizer in it. And I saw this foundation, it said Hydra. I said, okay, let me just give it a try. What if it just works? And it did perform, you guys. It did perform. If you have the same problem like me, then I feel like you should definitely go in for this one. I felt for the price point and the quantity, 25 ml is a little less, but I guess you guys can take a call on that. Now when you buy it, the packaging is a little deceiving, and the swatches that you have online, they are not accurate at all. So you need to go to the store and find your perfect shade if you don't want to take any chances. Alright, and I guess my third point is that if you have textured skin, like for example if you have bumps or if you have like scars on your face, ideally if you don't want to bring attention to that, you should be using a medium coverage foundation, and this is really good for that. If you have hyperpigmentation and if you have like marks that you want to cover, then this foundation is not for you. You should go for a full coverage foundation. So I hope I've answered all your questions. If not, then you can leave your questions in the comment section below. I will get back to you. Also, we've reached the end of this video. Thank you so much, you guys, for joining in. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next one.